It's kind of mixed English and patois. Poverty, it's a mash up the land. Poverty, it's to kill the humans. Poverty, it's to get out what's the word in poverty? One of Jamaica's biggest industry. If clear the space and get for real free, we need more jobs in the community. My name big and bold, me attack really free. Jamaica, we there over time for sacrifice. We need to start rise and give them some shots. Overtime, no, for rise to the top. The pandas police, I shoot them, separate them, kill them, wife and them, pick me them. Child abuse, sexual abuse, don't know. Tell me some enough have no youth. Jamaica, only need to take a look again. Make new plan and set the trend. Uno for call the man when he have God. Believe in him and him will bless the land. Aye, aye, aye.